heck is that?
I think that's Jason.
Holy crap.
Remember, it's Friday the 13th today.
Oh, crap!
Dude, oh my gosh. Where are we anyways?
I don't know. I think we're in the
I remember just waking up and now we're... What?
We're in the graveyard?
I think so.
Oh, crap. Oh, dude, do you think we should get out of here?
I'd rather... I can't move.
Oh.
My God, dude, I can't move.
Dude, I can't move either. What the heck? What the heck is the matter? Dude, he's coming near me. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. What the hell is that? Oh, crap. Oh, oh crap. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh, dude. Oh, my gosh. Dude, what the hell was that? Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh, dude. Dude, we gotta get out of here. Guys?
Guys. What? No, help!
Crap! What the heck? What the heck? Dude, Austin, where are you?
Look out!
Oh, crap! Who is it? Oh, crap! Oh, I don't remember being here. What the heck? What the? I don't remember being here. Oh my gosh. Dude, what the heck? Dude, what the? What the heck? Dude, what the heck? Dude, I don't remember being here. Dude, this is crazy. Oh, what the heck? Oh, crap. Oh, okay. Oh, back to normal.
Hi, I'm Chris Smiley, and I was the sounds, and I was the guy that was supposed to be next to Derek.
Hi, I'm Austin Smiley. I'm the zombie. Hi, I'm Austin Smiley. I'm the zombie.
And last but not least,
this is Derek Shane, and I was the camera and the voice.
good job, guys. Now, is that scary?